I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey you guys, welcome back to Have Big Hair Reviews. So today I'm going to be doing a unit that I haven't really seen any reviews on. I've seen one, but not in the color that I picked up. So this is the Outre Billie unit, which is a lace front. It has the Swiss lace eye parting. It says it's heat resistant fiber, safe up to 400 degrees. I got it in the color DR4 Copper Gold, and this is what the stock card looks like. The stock card is in the color DR4 Honeybee, so this is not the color I got it in. It's a little bit darker. So let me take it out of the pack and show you what it looks like. So straight out of the box, this is what it looks like. Seems like a good length, and as you get closer to the bottom, it seems like it turns more into like a blondish golden color, and then it's also definitely got the tones of the copper inside of there, so it's definitely a pretty color. It does come with baby hairs around the crown, and then just that eye parting right down the middle. The inside of the cap construction, it has 2 combs near the parting, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. So let's try it on and see how it looks. So with the lace still on, this is what it looks like. Definitely feels more gold on. I feel like a little Goldilocks or something. Yeah, so let me just cut the lace off. I'll come back on, show you what it looks like with it off. I don't think I'm really going to do any styling with it, just because it's a curly unit, only has that just single parting anyway, so I feel like there wouldn't be much I did with it anyway. Normally when the unit doesn't have many different parting options, I tend to just sort of keep it the way that it comes, versus pretty much messing up with the curls and everything, trying to get a style to go that may not necessarily look the most realistic. So let's cut it off and see how we can make it look. Okay you guys, so this is what it's looking like after I added concealer, swooped the baby hairs, and combed out the curl stem, finger combed out the curl stem. This is definitely a lot of hair, and the more you finger comb it, the bigger it gets, but I also feel like the more natural it gets, because those curls were kind of perfect. I kind of like doing it sporadically so that some curls are still really intact and then others kind of give that more natural look. For my initial review, I feel like I didn't do it the most justice, so I just decided to go in and finger comb the curls a little bit more. I added some mousse, and I feel like I do like it, but I still am a bit questionable about the color just because I'm not used to this color and on my skin tone. But I do feel like it is a cute unit and it would look good on maybe a different skin tone. But this is what the parting space is looking like. And it's really thick, really full. This is all the hair to the front. This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. The texture is definitely more on the soft yucky side. Luckily, when I was finger combing the curls, I didn't notice much tangling. More so, there was some shedding, but it wasn't too crazy. And of course, that's to be expected, especially with synthetic curly units. But as a whole, I think I do like it. I like the layering of it. But hopefully this was helpful to somebody who was hoping to see maybe what the color looks like, and especially on somebody of a different skin tone. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.